pivot table. So now we have the inside, we have the pivot table, and I'm trying to say, okay, I want this is okay for me. No, existing workbook. I know it has taught us this already. And press OK. Input is not valid. Okay, what's the problem? Alright, so we have pivot table. We have we have this. Alright, so because I didn't save it on my system, I opened it from a WhatsApp link. That's why it was saying that. So when I have this, so first of all, you must understand that pivot table has what we call 4 different you can call it 4 different fields of 4 different areas, and one of the places is filters, columns, rows, values. Now, when you look at this, you must understand that filter means that you want to filter a field, while values is for numerical variables. Don't put something like alphabet, like region, which is west, into values. It won't give you an accurate answer. So, but when you put values, something like they are numerical variables, into values area, it shows you an answer. Then we have the column and rows. Now let's do a quick example. Okay. All right, so I want to add my sales to my values. Now I want to put my product ID, yes, to show the product ID rows. All right, so this is sum of sales per product ID. So if you go to a market and you say, okay, how many people have bought, what's the total number of people that have bought A101 today? They tell you that, okay, 10,407. So we have sold 10,470 A101 products. Now let me do something quickly. Let me change this. Show values as a known. Formats. Okay, let me just change it to currency. Okay, let me just change the currency. All right, so thank you. So I just change it to currency so that we can know that sum of sales is in currency. So that is for that. So now, what sum of sales of A101 is $10,470. Of A102 is $18,901. C103 is $11,450, and the grand total is $51,526. But now, what if we just want to check not just the sum of sales alone, we now want to check sum of sales per region or per date? Then we bring in the date value. Let me bring the date value into this place and see how it looks like. Okay. Now this is date value, which somehow looks, to me, it looks too long. I can't really understand. I have to start shifting my my cursor to see everything, but I don't want that. So what do? I bring it to rows, my dates. Okay, let me select it first. Okay, dates, yeah. Remove fields. All right, so I bring my date back to rows. So it shows me the rows per the date per each product now. But I'm not interested in I don't want that. I just want something, just the year now. I just want the dates, so I can say, okay, group by Let's see. Goodbye. I just want it to be in months. Yeah. Oh no. Goodbye. No. Okay. Let me collapse this back. Alright, so I want this to, let me put my product ID here. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so now it shows me, now my product ID has become my columns and my date has become my rows. So in January, you can see that from there, you can see that January, it has we have 1,909 sales of A101. What about in February? We have $1,477,000.